Today is another day I'm going to cast off my 100 MV savings challenge. This is one of the challenge that I can't do without it. Every year I've been doing it. I think for the past 3 years it's been continuous. And this year I'm doing it again. But this year was quite different. I have in different forms, and this is one of them. And today, somebody owed me $500. They gave it to me. And the first thing I thought about is to cast off this 100 envelope savings challenge. This one is the one that I'm doing. The $100 in each envelope a day. It means at the end when I'm done is $10,000. Girl, it's been tough finishing this challenge. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to finish this year for sure. Definitely, I know that I'm not going to finish this year. But I know I have come so far. I think, let me see where I am. Let me see. So 24. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. But I still have a long way to go. But today I'm going to cast out the $500 that a friend gave me. Lucky for me, they did pay. Normally they will not. And I'll forget about it. At times I'll forget about it. It means they are not coming back. But this time around, it took them a while, but they did pay. And these are some of the things I really don't like doing. For me to go borrow money from somebody. No. But not that I'm shaming the person. At times people need help. People need to borrow money to go along. Not that I'm laughing, but like, I don't want to do that. So 2026, we have to change that. We have to change that habit. To tell you, change it. And you can only do that if you know where your money is going. If you are looking at your money. If you are using a magnified glass to look at where your money is going. Trust me. Trust me. You have something saved, and when something happened, you wouldn't come to me. I'm not saying that if something happened, don't come to me, but it's 2026. It's getting to 2026. We have to change that. And you guys know how I feel about it. So today I'm going to cast $500. And to tell you the truth, I wish I had finished this year. It's not possible. It's not. I know it's not. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna do, so each one get $100. So like some, then 26 get $100. $2,800. Then $2,900. Okay. Oh, if I have 6, I'll be at 30. So we have 29. So we still have $7,100 to go. I don't know when I'm gonna finish that, but you never know. You never know. Okay, so let's go ahead and mark that. I think I did mark it more than that, so I'll finish that. I hope everybody's doing very well. I'm super excited today. Super excited. Let me go ahead and paint all of them. I can't wait to get it done. Ooh, that would be exciting. Really exciting. Okay. I hope you guys can see. Is it not cool? Nice. And also, like I said, I'm doing I'm doing sales on my Etsy shop. This one is also going for 30%. In case you need one for a Christmas gift, this is very doable, very cool. I do have it in my shop. Link in my description below. It comes with about 4 of the challenges, and it also comes with what you are saving for, and when you are done, congratulations. It comes with the regular 100 envelope savings challenge, the one that I'm doing, the 10,001, and it comes with the summation and also the empty one. So you have all that in one, so you don't have to go buy different challenges for that. So thank you for joining me today. Thank you. I really appreciate everybody. If you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, please go ahead and do so that you don't miss any of my video. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.